Yo, what is going on, guys? I have managed to find a Forza Horizon 6 code that's going to supply you with 100 free wheel spins. This is by far the fastest and easiest method to get super wheel spins in Forza Horizon 6, and it literally takes just a few minutes of your time. It's going to save you a bunch of grind in the game. So before I show you this method, do make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for Forza Horizon 6 tutorials and methods to get free stuff. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to get super wheel spins for free in Forza Horizon 6 using a working promo code. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your code, and once you grab your code, you can literally redeem it in your store, so in the Microsoft Store if you play on Xbox, or the Steam Store. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. Make sure you can actually type, guys. Very important you spell it correctly, so you can copy how I've typed it here. Crash Coupons. And it's going to bring you to a game code website, and they have pretty much everything you can imagine, guys. There is a search bar at the top, which makes it a lot easier. For the first time I visited this website, I was just scrolling through, and then I realized, there is actually a search bar. So I'm just going to type in Forza Horizon 6, and you're going to be greeted by this codes page here, guys. You can see this game's only just been released and thousands of people have used these codes, so they're definitely the best ones available. So what you're looking for is the 100 super wheel spins code. So this is literally going to get you 100 wheel spins. Once you redeem your code, it's going to add it to your account. And yeah, if you're lucky, you're probably going to unlock some absolutely awesome cars and also get tons of credits as well. So yeah, these super wheel spins are pretty hard to get usually. So you need to unlock your code, guys. That's simply because these are limited Forza Horizon 6 codes. You can see there's 300 codes. So this basically stops people just refreshing the page and getting all the codes. So click on get full code. Now the entire process of unlocking your code takes about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it. So to get your super wheel spins, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. Now these basically sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they give us these codes, but it is really easy. They're completely free. So all you need to do is follow the unlock instructions below each of the tasks. And these are really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps and playing games and stuff. So really easy. I'm going to skip forward. Like I said, I've already done this and I don't want to waste the code. So if you complete 2 of those tasks, it will send you forward to Crash Coupons. And yeah, your Forza Horizon 6 free super wheel spins code will be revealed in this box. And then you literally redeem it either in the Microsoft Store or in the Steam Store, and it is going to add 100 super wheel spins to your account in Forza Horizon 6. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Just make sure you do follow all of the steps to unlock your code. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.